I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide channels in your YouTube TV live guide. And to be clear, YouTube doesn't let you block channels, so hiding a channel is your best option if you want to try to prevent people from being able to access a channel. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to tv.youtube.com and then sign into your YouTube TV account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon to open a menu and then click Settings in this menu. Step 3. Select Live Guide in the menu on this screen. You'll see a list of all of the channels available to you. Step 4. Find the specific channel you want to hide from being listed in your YouTube TV live guide and then click the Hide icon associated with that channel. You'll see a note that channel was removed from your custom view. That channel will effectively be hidden in your guide going forward. If you ever decide you want to display that channel in the guide again, all you need to do is navigate back to this screen and then click Unhide. That channel will be visible again. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.